Local Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman as a strong advocate of bilateral ties and a leader deeply admired by the Indian diaspora. In an interview with Arab Times ahead of his today official visit to Saudi Arabia, PM Modi praised the Crown Prince's leadership, visionary reforms, and his warm support for India-Saudi relations. Every time I have met him, His Royal Highness has left a deep impression on me. His insights, his forward-thinking vision, and his passion for fulfilling the aspirations of his people are truly remarkable, PM Modi said. He added that Saudi Arabia's transformation under Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's leadership, particularly through Vision 2030, has not only inspired the region but also captured global attention. One can see the transformational changes in the country under Vision 2030 in a very short period. I value the personal warmth and trust we share. And, yes, this personal rapport has naturally translated into how both countries give priority to our partnership. The Prime Minister noted that the Indian diaspora in Saudi Arabia holds the Crown Prince in high esteem for his consistent support and inclusive approach. He stated, "He has been a great supporter of the Indian diaspora in Saudi Arabia, and our people living in Saudi Arabia deeply admire him." PM Modi also congratulated Saudi Arabia on securing the bids to host two major international events, World Expo 2030 and FIFA World Cup 2034, calling them a matter of immense pride. He said, "As a close friend, India rejoices in Saudi Arabia's stellar achievements. It is a matter of immense pride for any country to host two marquee global events within a span of 4 years. It speaks volumes of the leadership of His Royal Highness and his vision." He emphasized that these mega events would boost the Saudi economy and create opportunities for Indian companies. Highlighting India's proven capabilities, Modi said Indian firms had earned a global reputation for their quality and efficiency and were already active contributors to Saudi Arabia's infrastructure and technology sectors. They are also creating value in various mega and giga projects as part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, he added. Calling for greater economic engagement, PM Modi invited Saudi companies to invest in India's growth story. "I also invite Saudi companies to take advantage of the remarkable opportunities in India as part of our Viksit Bharat journey. They can participate in the growth of India's next-generation infrastructure, logistics, renewable energy, healthcare, utilities, innovation, startups and blue economy sectors," he said, emphasizing that deeper engagement between companies from both nations would strengthen the bilateral economic partnership. Addressing the energy partnership between the two nations, PM Modi reiterated that Saudi Arabia remains one of India's most reliable suppliers of crude oil and petroleum products. He said that the two countries are now exploring joint projects in refineries and petrochemicals to expand beyond traditional buyer-seller relationships. Energy has been an important pillar of our economic partnership. As India seeks to become a developed country, our energy demands will continue to grow. And Saudi Arabia will remain a close partner in our energy security, the Prime Minister noted. Highlighting the global push towards sustainability, PM Modi spoke about India's green energy ambitions, including its target of achieving 500 gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030. Even in this journey, there is immense scope for collaboration with Saudi Arabia. This includes areas such as supply chains, circular economy, energy efficiency, and green hydrogen. As partners in the International Solar Alliance, both countries can work toward innovative solutions for future energy needs, he said. Touching on regional connectivity, PM Modi spoke about the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, IMEC, a landmark project launched at the G20 summit in 2023. He described the corridor as a transformative initiative that could shape the global trade landscape for generations. This corridor will define the future of connectivity in all forms for centuries to come. It will become the key catalyst of commerce, connectivity and growth in the entire region. It will enhance connectivity in all its forms, be it physical or digital, and will facilitate the development of resilient and dependable supply chains. He further emphasized the potential of the corridor to lower trade costs, boost economic unity, generate employment, and reduce carbon emissions, calling it the new Silk Route of the 21st century, with benefits for generations to come. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.